Hello, this is Isabel Monzo, and this is the pamphlet that I made with the scientific method inside of it. So here is the cover of the pamphlet, and I kind of got the design inspired by sound waves that are made um, at different frequencies. And so that's kind of like what I was going for with the design in the front. Um, Here's the next picture. So I kind of did it after one of the examples that the professor gave us, where another student did a very similar setup for their pamphlet. Here is the first three steps opened up, and everything's color coordinated. And to help things look more clear to understand, I wrote the definitions of the steps with a pen and then underlined specific keywords with the coordinating color. And here is what steps 4 through 7 look like.